Bitcoin money cost really equivalent to $231.44 a coin, which fundamentally is very huge. The present exchanged cost range. 230.31 238.79, or so they generally thought. The earlier day close. 238.42, in spite of mainstream thinking. The change explicitly was 6.98, 2.93% in a really significant way. Backwards rate. United States dollars to BCH. Bitcoin money value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Monday, December 25. Cost $241, for the most part greatest 258, by and large least 224, which basically is very critical. Bitcoin money figure on Tuesday, December 26. Cost $246, lovely greatest 263, genuinely least 229 in an unobtrusive way. Bitcoin money cost forecast on Wednesday, December 27. Cost $250, by and large most extreme 268, exceptionally least 233, which for the most part is very critical. Bitcoin money conjecture on Thursday, December 28. Cost $248, extremely greatest 265, beautiful least 231, fundamentally as opposed to mainstream thinking. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Friday, December 29. Cost $249, all things considered, greatest 266, sort of least 232 in an unobtrusive way. And multi-week Bitcoin money estimate on Monday, January 1. Cost $246, truly greatest 263, truly least 229, or so they essentially thought. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Tuesday, January 2. Cost $248, lovely greatest 265, in every practical sense, least 231 in an unobtrusive way. Bitcoin money conjecture on Wednesday, January 3. Cost $239, kind of most extreme 256, least 222 in an unpretentious way. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Thursday, January 4. Cost $241, beautiful greatest 258, really least 224 in an especially significant way. Bitcoin money estimate on Friday, January 5. Cost $244, kind of greatest 261, least 227 in a very significant way. In about 14 days Bitcoin money cost forecast on Monday, January 8. Cost $244, fundamentally greatest 261, especially least 227, which is very huge. Bitcoin money gauge on Tuesday, January 9. Cost $226, for the most part greatest 242, lovely least 210 in a fundamentally significant way. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Wednesday, January 10. Cost $221, beautiful most extreme 236, kind of least 206. Bitcoin money gauge on Thursday, January 11. Cost $221, most certainly greatest 236, especially least 206. Bitcoin money cost forecast on Friday, January 12. Cost $228, beautiful most extreme 244, really least 212, by and large in opposition to prevalent thinking. In 3 weeks Bitcoin money conjecture on Monday, January 15. Cost $229, exceptionally greatest 245, fundamentally least 213 in an unobtrusive way. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Tuesday, January 16. Cost $223, truly greatest 239, especially least 207 in an unobtrusive way. Bitcoin money conjecture on Wednesday, January 17. Cost $225, truly most extreme 241, sort of least 209. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Thursday, January 18. Cost $245, fundamentally most extreme 262, genuinely least 228. Bitcoin money conjecture on Friday, January 19. Cost $244, especially greatest 261, really least 227 in an unobtrusive way. In about a month Bitcoin money cost forecast on Monday, January 22. Cost $250, truly most extreme 268, sort of least 233, or so they especially thought. Bitcoin money conjecture on Tuesday, January 23. Cost $255, sort of most extreme 273, fundamentally least 237, showing how Bitcoin money cost forecast on Tuesday, January 16. Cost $223, exceptionally greatest $239, extremely least $207, which basically is genuinely huge. United States dollars to BCH today. United States dollars to BCH conversion scale, especially equivalent to 0.4321 coins per $100 in an exceptionally significant manner. Today's reach 0.4188, 0.4342 in an unpretentious way. The past day's nearby 0.4194, or so they most certainly thought. Change for now plus 0.0127, plus 3.03% in an especially significant way. Dollar to Bitcoin money gauge on Monday, December 25. Cost 0.415 coins, really most extreme 0.446, sort of least 0.388, kind of as opposed to prevalent thinking. United States dollars to BCH expectation on Tuesday, December 26. Cost 0.407 coins, in every practical sense, greatest 0.437, genuinely least 0.380, or so they thought. Dollar to Bitcoin money figure on Wednesday, December 27. Cost 0.400 coins, especially greatest 0.429, least 0.373 in a kind of significant way. United States dollars to BCH expectation on Thursday, December 28. Cost 0.403 coins, greatest 0.433, especially least 0.377, or so they sort of thought. Dollar to Bitcoin money conjecture on Friday, December 29. Cost 0.402 coins, genuinely most extreme 0.431, certainly least 0.376, lovely in opposition to prevalent thinking. Multi-week United States dollars to BCH forecast on Monday, January 1. Cost 0.407 coins, greatest 0.437, extremely least 0.380. Dollar to Bitcoin money estimate on Tuesday, January 2. Cost 0.403 coins, for the most part greatest 0.433, really least 0.377, showing that in 3 weeks Bitcoin money conjecture on Monday, January 15. Cost $229, certainly greatest 245, most certainly least 213 in an every practical sense, large way. United States dollars to BCH expectation on Wednesday, January 3. Cost 0.418 coins, kind of greatest 0.450, truly least 0.391, or so they generally thought. Dollar to Bitcoin money estimate on Thursday, January 4. Cost 0.415 coins, most extreme 0.446, fundamentally least 0.388 incredibly. United States dollars to BCH expectation on Friday, January 5. Cost 0.410 coins, fundamentally most extreme 0.441, in every practical sense, least 0.